Keras floods Jupyter cell output during fit, verbose equals 1. When running Keras model inside jupyter-notebook with verbose equals 1 option, I started getting not single line progress, status updates as before, but a flood of status lines updated at batch. See attached picture. Restarting Jupyter, or the browser is not helping. Jupyter-notebook server is 5.6.0, Keras is 2.2.2, Python is Python 3.6.5. Please help. Cell content. History equals model.fit, x equals train underscore df underscore scaled, y equals train underscore labels, batch underscore size equals batch underscore size, epochs equals epochs, verbose equals 1, validation underscore data equals validation underscore df underscore scaled, validation underscore labels, shuffle equals true. Output flood example, it is thousands of lines like this.
After a few tests I found that the error is related to tqdm import. tqdm was used in a piece of code which was later rewritten without it. Even though I was not using tqdm in this notebook, just having it imported affected the Keras output. To fix it I just commented out this line. From tqdm import tqdm. And everything went fine, with nice Keras progress bars. Not sure how exactly it conflicted with Keras though.
Verbose equals 2 should be used for interactive outputs.
Two things I would recommend. Try restarting jupyter-notebook server, try different browser other than what you're using, perhaps your browser got some update and it's breaking stuff. Usually, Chrome is bad with notebooks.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.